Suzuki WagonR VXR 2019, only 5,000 kilometers driven, B2B Genuine 0-meter brand new condition. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a very special and almost brand new deal. Suzuki WagonR VXR 2019, driven only 5,000 kilometers. Yes, just 5,000 kilometers. This car is in 0-meter-like condition and still smells like a brand new vehicle. If you are searching for a genuine, low mileage, and carefully maintained car, then this WagonR is the perfect option for you. Let's start with the basics. This is a 2019 model Suzuki WagonR VXR, and the condition is absolutely outstanding. The car is bumper-to-bumper genuine with full guarantee. Not a single panel is repainted or touched. Everything is completely original from factory. The mileage is genuinely 5,000 kilometers, which is extremely rare for a 2019 model. This shows that the car has been barely used and very carefully maintained. Now let's talk about the exterior condition. The body shine is excellent, and the paint looks fresh and glossy. There are no scratches, dents, or any kind of damage. The headlights, bumpers, and trims all look brand new. Overall, the car gives a complete 0-meter feel. Moving to the interior, as soon as you open the door, you will notice the fresh brand new smell. The seats are clean and fresh, dashboard is scratch-free, and steering condition is like new. There are no signs of wear and tear inside the cabin. It truly feels like you are sitting in a new car showroom vehicle. Now let's discuss engine and performance. The engine is in perfect condition, smooth and powerful. The suspension is tight and comfortable. The drive quality is excellent, and the car feels solid on the road. Suzuki WagonR VXR is known for its excellent fuel average, low maintenance cost, comfortable city drive, easy availability of spare parts. This car is ideal for daily commuting, small families, office use, or even as a first car. It is economical, practical, and reliable. Another important point is that transfer will be done on the spot, giving the buyer complete peace of mind. Everything will be handled properly and transparently. Now let's talk about the price. Money bag final demand is 24,50,000 PKR. Considering the extremely low mileage, genuine condition, and 0-meter feel, this price is very reasonable and final. It is very hard to find a 2019 model WagonR in this condition with only 5,000 kilometers driven. If you are seriously looking for a fresh and genuine car, don't miss this opportunity. For more details and inspection, serious buyers can contact immediately. If you like genuine and premium car deals like this, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming deals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing car offer. Automobile Sparkles.